हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जे एजुकेशन। आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे स्कोप ऑफ डूइंग एमबीए इन ऑपरेशंस मैनेजमेंट। आई हैव ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड वीडियोस रिलेटेड टू स्कोप ऑफ डूइंग एमबीए इन फाइनेंस, एचआर, marketing and entrepreneurship. So if you missed up with that videos, then please click on the link which is mentioned in my description, or else you can also click on this I button. Okay, so in this particular video, we will learn what is MBA in Operations Management, benefits of selecting Operation Management as a specialization, then what you will learn in Operation Management, then we will also see eligibility criteria, top MBA colleges, and at last we will see career opportunities after doing MBA in Operations. So for that, you need to watch my video till end. First of all, let's begin with what is MBA in Operations Management. See, MBA in Operations Management involves planning, organizing, supervising production and manufacturing. The basic function of Operations Management involve turning out organization's resources such as labor, material into final product and services. Okay? For example, अगर कोई भी organization है, उनका गोल क्या होता है? हाउ टू इंक्रीज प्रॉफिट एंड हाउ टू मिनिमाइज कॉस्ट, राइट। लेकिन ये जो प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइजेशन का गोल है वो मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंट के थ्रू कंप्लीट हो जाता है। वो लोग क्या करते हैं, अपनी सेल्स को इंक्रीज करते हैं एंड थ्रू विच द प्रॉफिट कैन बी इंक्रीज्ड। बट हाउ टू मिनिमाइज द कॉस्ट, दैट कैन बी ओनली डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ ऑपरेशंस मैनेजमेंट, बिकॉज मेन रोल ऑफ ऑपरेशंस मैनेजमेंट इज how to increase efficiency and effectiveness of any organization by proper utilization of resources, plus how to make product in a minimum time with minimum cost. Alright, so this is all about what is MBA in Operations Management. Now let's see which type of subjects you will learn in this specialization so that you can have an idea about if you are interested in learning this type of subjects or not. So the list includes production management, operations management and strategy, product planning and control, inventory control, demand and business forecasting, business process modeling, total quality management, quantitative techniques, logistic and supply management, and enterprise resource planning. See, ERP, which is enterprise resource planning, is basically a one type of software which is used by most of the organization for the purpose of storing data related to production, HR, marketing, finance, everything. So these are the subjects you will learn in this specialization. If you think कि आप ये सारे subjects को पढ़ने में interested हो, then operations management is best for you. Next is eligibility criteria. To get admission in MBA Operations Management, you should have completed your graduation with minimum 50% marks from any stream. And you have to clear one entrance exam also. I have already uploaded video related to top MBA entrance exam in India, so you can go and watch it. Link is mentioned in my description. Now next is top MBA colleges for Operations Management. And in the list, first ranker college is NITI. NITI is considered as one of the best college for this specialization. Other than that, IIMs are also there, such as IIM Bangalore, Kolkata, Lucknow. Then XLRI is also there, which provides BM as a specialization. BM stands for Business Management. See, in this particular specialization, you will receive jobs related to Operations Management. Then XIMB Bhubaneswar is also there. And in that also BM is a specialization. The next is SPGen, which is also provide operations management. Other than that, Symbiosis Institute of Management and Research is there, Narsi Munjin. Then there is one college called SRCC in Delhi, which provides global business management as a specialization. So if you have done your MBA from this college, then you will learn how to build a relationship with global businessmen. You will also learn import-export management. In short, if you have done your MBA from this college, then you will be learn how to do business internationally. Okay. At last, let's talk about career opportunities after doing MBA in operations management. See, after doing MBA in this particular management, you can be operation manager, general operation manager, area operation manager, then plant manager, process manager, consulting firm, hospitality, inventory, e-commerce companies, etc. If I talk about today's scenario, then e-commerce company and FMCG companies are required students who have done their MBA in this specialization. How? Let me explain you with the help of example. We all have heard about Amazon, right? So as a customer, when we order some product in that particular portal, then they will show us detail regarding product, such as price of the product, how much discount you will receive, when you will receive that particular product, etc. So when we confirm order, at that time one pop-up has been shown to the Amazon company that this particular customer want this product. Then after, what the Amazon will do, it pass out that order to the company, and after few days that particular company prepare a product and it deliver back to the Amazon company. उसके बाद Amazon company product की quality check करती है and then it deliver it to the customer. So this whole process is done with the help of ERP software, and for the purpose of smoothing function of this whole process, operation department is responsible. And for that purpose, they require students who have done their MBA from this particular specialization. Next is FMCG company. FMCG companies में work किसके related होता है? Like in that, they have to search out that customers want which type of products. And they also found out that which type of soap and shampoos are required in which season. Alright? Then work related to goods delivery, वेंडर्स के साथ रिलेशनशिप मेंटेन करना, सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट एक्सेट्रा. Other than that, there are so many companies are also there which have require students from operations management, and in that responsibilities include customer management, supplier management, forecasting management, then logistic and warehouse management, operations management, etc. So this is all about career opportunities after doing MBA in operations management. So here I am done with my today's video. Hope you guys learned so many things related to this specialization. And if you want to see more videos related to this type, then you need to subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon so that you will receive notification at first. See you in my next video. Till goodbye. Keep learning, keep educating yourself. Thank you.